Delivery!
You're an idiot. Let's go, dude. We got some things to do. We got the tag team.
Oh yeah.
Coda's gone. Beto steps in.
Substitution.
So we got the clutch. Now we just gotta put it in. Should be what, like 5 minutes, Beto?
10. Feeling a little lazy today.
Give me a little push, would you?
Sure, let me just toss this. This is why I come, so you can play and I can work.
Moldy bread? We're gonna put it to use, babe. Don't you worry. The bread method. Beto's hungry. Hey, dude, that bread has mold on it. Don't eat that.
I do it for the YouTube, you know.
Step 1. Soak the bread. So if you're wondering what we're doing, we're trying to get the pilot bearing out. This is a method that you can use. Word to Nick at 5523 was just telling me about this today. And then Beto mentioned the same thing. So we're gonna give it a shot. All right, so you stick the bread into the hole. Basically, you keep shoving the bread into the hole until it starts to pop the bearing out. So fingers aren't working too well trying to stick the bread in. So I dremeled this lug nut to fit into the pilot bearing, like so we can shove the bread in to push the pilot bearing out. I know it sounds stupid, but let's see if it works.
I think you pushed it back in. There she is.
Just like that. Now with the bread, if you have a bunch of bread stuck in there, you get a smaller piece. You get all the bread out. ARP bolts coming out. Well, we're about an eighth of the way done.
It's only been 2 minutes, right?
It's dark out. A freaking 8 cars. Finally getting the wheel bearing. It's finally getting the Hikaduberator out. It's finally getting the flywheel out. So once we get that thing out, then it's a go.
It's a no-go.
It's a go. Don't say that, dude.
It's a go-go Power Rangers.
Morphin' time.
And there she goes.
Oh my lord.
There she goes.
There she goes again. Oh, check all this out.
To get all the copyrights.
All this.
It's good, man.
Clutch material. So, the good thing about this new flywheel,
That one actually flies, right?
this one does fly, yes. Now I don't have to resurface my flywheel anymore. So we just take this out, buy this piece, so I can keep this flywheel for as long as I need to now. So what's the next step?
I think you need to change
Yeah, we need
the
to
run
pilot
wheel
bushing.
too.
The run wheel? Yeah, the run wheel.
Maybe the crawl wheel.
The crawl
wheel. Yep.
Crawl wheel needs to
Crawl
come
wheel.
out. Leah always coming through with the grind. Right here, Dougie.
Oh. Man. This is why us mechanics are immune to everything.
Your hands look good though. Let me see those. Oh yeah, those are good. How is that? Yeah, so we don't need to stack 17 extensions this time because Beto brings the right tools. Right, Beto? Look at this. All the sizes. You got all the stuff you need to get the job done. Look at him go. Look at him. Food gone. Look at that. It's only been like 30 seconds. Over here working with the Harbor Freight. This guy comes in with the freaking, I don't even know what. Whoa. Alright, so it's daytime. in. Now all we gotta do is exhaust, drive shaft, and we're done.
You're still forgetting you need to do your shift.
Love you. Bye. All right, so Gabe called me today and we're gonna go pick him up because he needs a tow. I don't know if you guys noticed, but Jordan's actually with us today. He's been absent for the past couple vlogs. I've been filming everything, but he's here today. Yeah, Jordan?
Yeah, man.
He wasn't gonna come today either, but the quality of my footage just sucks. So I was like, bro, you know what?
Everyone comment down below and say, Josh, it doesn't suck.
Don't do that, because Jordan's never gonna come. Well, we just pulled up to Gabe's. Pro tip, put your instant burritos in the air fry instead of the microwave. It makes them crispy.
Flauta style, dude.
Oh. Where's the hot sauce at, dude?
Vinegar, jalapenos, habanero, pineapple, salt, pepper.
You guys watch Hot Ones?
How many?
This is the Scoville levels on this is,
100 million.
it says the heat level is a 10 out of 10, so we're gonna give it a shot. It's freaking hot. That's really hot.
Oh yeah, don't put too much.
If I make this shot, you guys gotta subscribe.
Oh!
Right.
Oh yeah, everyone asking about information.
So we've been linked up with them for like 15 years. Was it a close homie from Hawaii? They take care of us with Infor Motors.
So basically we made a car team. It's called Info Motors. They have like a skate team, surf team, and me and Gabe and a couple other homies are the car section of that. And it's called Infor Motors. Basically, they give us these clothes. I don't know how to explain this without sounding like a freaking douchebag. Yeah, no, information's like family to us. We kind of grew up in Hawaii, or I did for like 10 years. I didn't really grow up there, but I lived there for a while, and yeah, we've been there since, how long ago? 05 we met information?
Yeah, I was 15.
You're 30 now.
30 now.
So yeah, 2005.
05. I was a sophomore in high school when I met Information.
And we've come a long way. Now Information does car stuff, collabs with Gretty, and
From a skate shop to a well-known street brand now. Pretty cool.
if you guys need any clothes though, go in the description. The link, what is it called? Go down there, click on the link below.
Rock to do that.
Do it, Rob.
Click the link below.
Come by tomorrow, maybe. 4th of July.
I don't know. Think about just doing nothing all day.
Do that.
life.
That's Jordan's for real life. Alright, time to jam, Gabe. We gotta work on my car.
Yeah, let's go. Yo, Oscar. Is that your bike?
Yeah.
One I've been seeing on Instagram?
It's so sick. I even have a horn.
Yo, Beto's here too?
No, this is Alberto Gonzalez.
Is it done? You guys finished it?
Finished. Where have you been? Finally! This thing's been in the air for what, 3 weeks?
your clutch pedal.
No, it's not the clutch pedal. The throwout bearing. It just progressively got worse. When I first pulled away, it shifted fine, and then when I started pulling in, downshifting, it started getting harder and harder to put into gear.
It's not bleeding.
No, it's not that. It's not bleeding.
Ah, it's so annoying. I hate this crap, dude. Too much for this crap.
Alright guys, S13's for sale. We're gonna start the bid at $7,000.
I just worked so hard on this.
Let me take a look.
There you go, there you go.
Let me see.
Oscar,
Oh,
Oscar,
Oscar got this.